Hello, today I'm solving LeetCode problem number 1071, greatest common divisor of strings. So now let's look at the question. Um, for two strings S and T, we say T divides S if and only if S can be represent S can be represented in some form of T. That is, T is concatenated with itself one or more times. So for given two strings, string 1 and string 2, we have to return the largest string x such that the string divides both string 1 and string 2. Now let's look at the example. We have a string 1 ABC and string 2 ABC. So we have 6 character in first string and 3 characters in the second string. So 6 is divisible by 3, so it is possible that the entire string string 2 can divide string 1. So if we consider a b c to be a unit, say A, and if if we want to represent the string 2 as A, then what would be uh, let me remove this one. um, if we are considering this to be a unit A, then the string 1 becomes 2A. So that means we represented first string in some form of string 2. Now let's look at the second example. We have A B, so we have 4 characters, and we have 6 characters in string 1. So 6 is not exactly divisible by 4, so it is not possible that the entire string 2 can divide the string 1. So here we compute the greatest common divisor of um, the two, 6 and 4, which is 2. So now if we consider AB to be a unit, say A, then we can represent string 2 as 2A. Then similarly we can also represent string 1 as we'll have 3A. So we represented both the string 2 as 2A and the string 1 as 3A. So yes, so here the largest string would be uh, A, which means the AB. Now let's look at the third example. So we have delete and code. So first, if we look at the first character, so these do not match, so it's clear that we don't have like string that could divide both string 1 and string 2. So so if the string can be divisible, if a string can divide the another string, so first thing that we need to look into is like, so here we have 2A and we have A. So if we concatenate this together, the first string with the second, we'll have the 3A. Or if we concatenate the string 2 with string 1, which with A plus 2A, the result would be same. Similarly, here, so if we add the string 1 with string 2, um, it would be 5A. And if we add the string 2 with string 1, again it would be 5A. So So um, so to begin our solution, so we must check whether it is possible to find out the largest string in the given to string or not. Okay, now we can begin our coding. So first thing we need to do is um, like if the first character of a string does not match, then we don't have um, the largest string. So string one dot character add 0 does not equals to string 2 dot character add, then we will return empty. Then second thing we need to look is that so we need to check. Okay, we don't have to do this because since we are returning here right away. So okay, if so we need to check whether we can combine both string and the resultant string is same or not. So so now we need to compare string 1 plus string 2 dot equals string 2 with a string 1 or not. So if it is not equal, then we can return empty. So now, so if this condition does not match, then we need to compute the greatest common divisor. um, so let's okay, I did stay here. So now let's create a function that calculates the greatest common divisor. Okay, so we are going to use the Euclidean algorithm here to compute greatest common divisor. So we will return if b equals to 0, then we're going to return a, otherwise we will recursively compute the greatest common divisor. So okay, so here we will return okay, so after computing the greatest common divisor, we can just obtain the largest string using the substring method. um, so string 1 dot substring will start from the start of the string, and we have to compute the greatest common divisor between the length of first string and length of okay, length of second string. Now let's see the result. Okay, okay, I did a mistake here. Okay, now let's submit. Okay, we're done.